welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited because today I am doing an unboxing video, which I've never done before. But before I get into all of that, if you hear any noise in the background, there's no ghost, it's just Ava. She's in here talking. So if you guys don't know who Ava is, she's my little cousin. She's down here on the floor talking. But yeah, so I'm so excited. I don't even know like how to do this, and it's gonna be hard too because I have nothing to sit the phone on. I'm gonna just have to hold it up here. But if you guys didn't know, I have, oh, I have to cover my ID, but I have the iPhone XS Max. Still focus, yeah. And I've had it for 9 months, so I haven't had it long or anything like that. So I'm actually trading this in for the new phone because I bought an iPhone 11 and I got the 256 gigs and I got it in red. So for one, I didn't want to get like the least amount of gigs just because that's dumb and I need a lot of storage. And then who's gonna pay $1,500 for the iPhone 11 Pro? Like, not me. So my phone is here. Got the box. It's from FedEx. You guys can see. So, ooh, my hair is itching. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Got my scissors. So, I'm just. She in here passing gas.
Ah, I didn't pass gas.
Yes, she did. Okay. English. Okay, so it's hard to do this, but I'm opening the box, and inside there's a lot of papers from Verizon. It's saying how much the phone is, but that price is not right because that is not how much I had to pay for this phone. I don't know why it's charging me all this money, because I did not pay that much for one. So I don't know. We're gonna put that down there. They sent me the little thing back to return my phone in. So when I go to trade my phone in, that's what I turn it into. And it's here. It's right here, guys. Let me see. You can focus. There you go. So with the red sticker, the box says iPhone. Okay, so I'm so excited. Like, I don't know, I've never unboxed a phone on here. And before I get started, I bought a case off of Amazon, and this is Seal by Cyro. You can see that right there. Ooh, my nails. Ignore those. But this is the case. Ooh, I'm sorry, ignore my nails. It's just flowers or whatever. And actually, it's pretty hard, so. And then I got some screen protectors. So, yeah. So I got those. Okay, let's get into the phone. So let's hear the first bit of plastic. I'm trying not to let it get my face. Oh, there it is, y'all. Right there. Can y'all see it? Look at that color. It's such a cherry red. I don't know if this is the same color as the other ones, but oh my goodness. Like, I'm actually holding the iPhone 11. I'm sorry, I probably look like a nerd, but this is only the second time that I've been able to open my own phone and put it in there I put it together myself. There's like not even there's nothing on the back of the phone. Like, there's nothing back of it. Just straight. Gorgeous. Oh, look, you can see y'all's reflection. But the phone is gorgeous. Like, look at it. That is so pretty. But yeah. And like the sides. Look at the sides. That's gonna be kind of hard to focus on. But I'm gonna do a size comparison so y'all can see the sizes of the phone side by side. Yeah, so here's my phone in the front. So we're gonna put them side by side. Can y'all see? This is how they look side by side. I'm trying to, there it goes. This is how they look side by side. The two phones, they're not much of a difference. You can tell. Yeah, not much of a size. You saw the size of my phone versus this one. We're gonna put the phone in the case, that's where it was at. And we're gonna put this aside, like they always say, we're gonna put this aside. And we're gonna go ahead and go back through this box. Oh, and if you guys were wondering, like I told y'all, I got 256 gigs. So comes with a little thing inside. I know you couldn't really see it just now. And it just tells you it's the product red color. And apparently the product red is not the same red that they have for the iPhone XR and any other phones that have red. And of course you got white Apple stickers. Everybody said they were looking forward to red stickers, but Apple still did white stickers. That's cool, I don't care. I throw these stickers away. Literally, actually no I don't, because I keep my boxes every time I get a new phone. So I still have all the boxes from all the iPhones that I've gotten. Okay, so then you got the charger, which I don't use these. I actually use the fast charging iPad charger. That's the one that I use for my phone. I have 2 of them, so that's what I use. And then you got the regular headphones that comes in there. You can't see them, but they're headphones. And then you got the charger. So that's everything that's in this box. Nothing special, nothing like that. Okay, y'all, I'm out of breath, but I just finished backing up this phone. So yeah, I just backed up this phone because it says backup at 410. Oh, there it goes. Okay, and setting up my new one. Okay, so yep, here are the 2 phones with the cases side by side. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start setting this phone up. Doing the Wi-Fi password, don't even know what it is. I hope this is the Wi-Fi password, because so it's gonna take a few minutes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and talk about this case that I got. I got this case from Ava. Okay, so now I'm agreeing to my phone number. It's activating it, and then I'm probably gonna have to take the SIM card out of this phone and put it in here. I don't know how this works. Most of the time when this happened, my parents did it. So the size doesn't feel like a big difference, honestly. It actually looks, it's not, I don't know, I kind of wanted a smaller phone low-key after I've had this phone for a while, just because this phone is so big. But literally, they don't waste no time sending you a text that you activated this phone, because they literally just sent me one. So now it's saying it's just taking a few minutes to activate my phone. So like I was saying, I got this case and screen protector from Amazon. And actually, this is the only brand of screen protectors that I order from Amazon ever. I don't get any other screen protectors from them normally. So I'm gonna just keep talking though while I set up all this stuff. So I'm gonna set up my Face ID. Yeah, I guess y'all can watch me do it. Okay. Move my face the other way. This camera, I don't know what to say about it, because when I tell you I've had every iPhone that came out. I've had the iPhone 4, I had the iPhone 5C, I had the iPhone 6. I think I had the iPhone 6s, and then I had the 6s Plus, I think. Something like that. I think I just had the 6s, and then I got the Plus later. And then I got the iPhone 7 Plus. And then after I got the iPhone 7 Plus, I got the 8 Plus. And then after I got the 8 Plus, I got the XS Max. And none of these phones I've had longer than a year. I literally never have a phone that's longer than a year. So I didn't have that phone. I haven't had this phone for even a year yet. So I'm just one of those people who like to switch phones pretty often. This is so weird that y'all can actually see a wide view. I never have the camera this wide out. It's always like zoomed in, but I wanted y'all to be able to see everything. So, but yeah, it's still setting up. It's taking a minute, so I'm just kind of rambling. Okay, y'all, so I'm back now. I'm more calm. But now, see, this is my phone right here, and this is how it looks like on the screen or whatever. And so literally this phone copied exactly, because I backed it up from my iCloud, and this phone literally copied exactly what I had. So yeah, right now it's just downloading my apps. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed my reaction and me unboxing this phone, because I was excited, y'all don't understand. I was super excited. So the fact that I finally got it like done and unboxed is amazing. So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed and you like this video. You let me know what you think about the phone down below, and I might do like a video of what I think maybe a week later or something like that, just to give people an idea, maybe people who want to buy it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.